Welcome students to class 5 maths lesson 1 large numbers. You already know a few things like the greatest 5-digit number. It is 5 nines. That is 99999. It is also called 99,999. Now when we add 1 to it, we will get 1 followed by 5 zeros. Now look here closely. 99,999 was the greatest 5-digit number, and when we added 1 to it, we got the smallest 6-digit number. 1 followed by 5 zeros is the smallest 6-digit number. Similarly, the greatest 6-digit number is 6 nines. And when we add 1 to it, we will get 1 followed by 6 zeros. And 1 followed by 6 zeros is a 7-digit number. And in fact, the smallest 7-digit number. Similarly, the greatest 7-digit number is 7 nines. And when we add 1 to it, we will get 1 followed by 7 zeros. This is an 8-digit number and the smallest 8-digit number. Now tell me students, how many of you have seen Kaun Banega Crorepati? Do you know how many zeros are there in a crore? Well, the smallest 8-digit number is called 1 crore and a crore has 7 zeros. We read these numbers as, here we have 5 nines, 99,999. Next number, we have 1 followed by 5 zeros. This is 1 lakh. 1 lakh is in the Indian number system. Now here we have 6 nines. It is 9,99,999. Now we have 1 followed by 6 zeros. This is known as 10 lakhs. Here we have 7 nines, 99 lakh 99,999. 1 followed by 7 zeros, 1 crore. Now this will be more clear when you understand the place value chart of it. You're familiar with the place value chart. We have ones, tens, 100 in the units or ones period, and then we have 1,000 and 10,000 in the thousands period. After that we have lakhs and 10 lakhs in the lakhs period and crore and 10 crore in the crores period. Now I have also given color coding so that you understand better. Here the periods have come. The periods help in reading and writing large numbers. Let us take an example to understand things better. We will start reading the number from the left side and one period at a time. That means one color we will take at a time. Now we will read the number. The green column has 2 digits below it, 5 and 0. So we will read it as 50 crores. Then the next column is purple column with 8 and 6 there. So 86 lakhs followed by the thousands column which has 3 and 2. So 32,000 and then ones period. Ones period has 4, 7 and 9. So we will read it as 479. 50 crores 86 lakhs 32,479. Reading of large numbers. Before reading a number, we divide it into periods. Starting from the right, separate periods by commas. Let us take an example to understand this. Here we have the example as 824050. So we will now start separating it from the right side. First period has 3 numbers. So we will separate 050. And then next period 2 numbers, 2 and 4. Last period we have only 1 number left, so that goes in the last period. Like this. So 8, we leave some space, 24 and 050. And now we place commas in between. Now we have got the number 8,24,050. One more example. 9,000,502. Again we will separate these. Last 3 digits we will separate, then 2 and then 2 digits. So that becomes 90, some space, then 00 followed by 502. And now we put commas in between. So this will be read as 90,502. There are only zeros in the thousands column, so we will not be mentioning that. Now to write large numbers, we make a place value chart. Starting from extreme left, we will write the numbers. Let us take an example to understand this. We have a very big number here. 596425812. So first the place value chart. These are the basic periods followed by the place values. Now we will write 59. We have to start from the extreme left. First 2 digits we have taken and written. Next 2 digits are 6 and 4. So 64. After that next 2 we have 25. And last 3 digits 812. Now one more example. Supposing you have the number written in words. 1 crore 10 lakhs 20. We'll write the place value chart. Now 1 crore. So 1 in the crore section. 10 lakh. 10 in the lakh section. Then we have 20. So 20 we will write 2 in tens place and 0 in ones place. Whatever is left we will fill it up with zeros. Like this. Right? So we have got our number. Abacus. You have done 5-digit numbers on abacus in class 4. Let us revise that quickly. I have taken an example 13205. Now 5 is in the ones place, so we will have 5 beads in the ones spike. Then in the tens place the number is 0, so no beads will come in the tens spike. Hundreds place we have 2. So 2 beads in the hundreds spike. Thousands place we have 3. So 3 beads here. 10,000 place we have 1. So 1 bead. Now let us do 7-digit numbers. Now this is very similar to what you already know. In the ones place we have 5. So 5 beads. Tens place 3 beads. No beads in the hundreds place. Thousands place 4 beads. 10,000s place 2 beads. Lakhs 5 and 10 lakh 1 bead. Wasn't that easy? Now we come to the worksheet. Write the number shown on the abacus in figures and in words. So here students, you should write the numbers in figures, that is digits, and in words also. I'm sure you can do it. Let's go to the next question. Read the following from the table and write in figures and in words. So here the table is made, the periods and the place values are given. You have to first write the number in figures. That means you have to place commas and write the number, and then after that you have to write it in words. Let's come to the third question now. Write number names. For writing the number names, you will first place commas and then read the number and then write it. Built the numbers which have 2 crores, 3 lakhs, 5 tens, 19 thousands, 4 hundreds and 7 ones. Second one, 24,000, 31 lakhs, 5 hundreds and 5 tens. Now this is a little tricky question. I will give you a hint here. Let's look at the first part of this question. 2 crores, 3 lakhs, 5 tens, 19 thousands, 4 hundreds and 7 ones. So first thing we will do is draw the place value chart. Now we'll pick up numbers one by one. The first one says 2 crores. So in the crores section we will write 2. Then 3 lakhs. So under the L, lakhs section we will write 3. 5 tenths. Under T of units period we will write 5. 19,000. Now again we have to go back to the thousands period, and there we will write in under 10,001 and under 1,009. After that we have 4 hundreds. So under hundreds column we will write 4 and 7 ones. So here we will write 7 under ones column like this. Now when you look at this, you see 10 lakh column is blank. So here you have to enter 0. I have given you a good enough hint. So good luck with your worksheet. Until we meet again, stay safe, stay happy.